would be F. You can help me out. F is equals to
Speak out.
m e omega square. So here the chord length E would be get replaced. The R would be get replaced by the E. So that would be our centrifugal force that is being applied by the mass m naught on the whole machine. So I have already mentioned that this machine, actually I forgot to mention, this is the mechanism that we have designed to damp the machine's vibrations. So there is a combination of a damper and a spring that provides stiffness. So what actually happens is whenever the centrifugal force is applied by the mass m naught on the whole mass, whatever the force, the motion would only be in the direction of x. It can either be in positive x in the upward direction, or it can either be in negative x in the downward direction. So in this case, when the mass m naught have rotated to the theta direction, there would be two components of this centrifugal